Solitaire Cash rewards tournament performance based on your solitaire score. So the most useful way to improve your results is to make fewer mistakes and finish games efficiently. By the end, you'll know which gameplay habits can actually improve your performance, which common mistakes cost you points, and how to practice without unnecessarily spending money. Start with free gameplay when it's available to you. This lets you learn Solitaire Cash's controls, card movement, and scoring system before entering a paid tournament. The first practical tip is to prioritize moves that keep more cards available. Don't automatically make the first legal move you see. Check the tableau and available cards before committing to a move, because one decision can affect the options you have afterward. Next, pay attention to hidden cards. Turning over a face-down card can create new possibilities. So when you have multiple legal moves, consider which move gives you the better chance of exposing another card. Another useful habit is avoiding unnecessary moves. If two moves produce the same immediate result, choose the one that preserves more options for later. The goal isn't simply to move cards quickly, it's to finish the layout efficiently. You should also learn the scoring system used by the specific tournament you're entering. Solitaire Cash can have different game formats and tournament conditions, so don't assume that one strategy works identically everywhere. Speed matters too, but speed without accuracy can hurt your result. If rushing causes missed moves or poor decisions, slowing down slightly can be more useful than trying to play as fast as possible. There's also a money management point that matters more than any gameplay trick. Cash tournaments can require an entry fee, and prizes depend on the specific tournament. Check the entry cost and prize information before joining, rather than assuming a particular payout. If you're still learning, keep practicing with free options when available. Once you consistently understand the controls and scoring, you can decide whether paid tournaments are worth the risk for you. And remember that winning isn't guaranteed. Solitaire Cash tournaments involve competition against other players, so better gameplay can improve your chances, but can't guarantee a prize. The three biggest takeaways are simple. Learn the scoring system, choose moves that preserve options and expose hidden cards, and don't sacrifice accuracy just to play faster. For your next session, play a free game, if one is available, and focus on making deliberate moves instead of chasing speed. If these tips helped, like the video and subscribe for more 2026 Solitaire Cash guides.